Hello, today I'm going to show you how to modify textures on Bully Scholarship Edition for the PC. What you need for this is IMG Tool, NifSkope and any image editing program that can export in a TGA format such as Adobe Photoshop or Paint.net. I'll put the links to these in the description. Now once you've downloaded these and installed them and extracted IMG Tool's exe to any location you want, right click imagetool.exe, select Properties, select Compatibility and put it to run in compatibility for Windows XP Service Pack 3 and run this program as administrator. The reason for this is because for some reason IMG Tool comes up with an error saying failed to set data for and just quotation marks, and from my experience with that error it doesn't save anything you do. By using these settings you'll ignore that error and it will save automatically. Well, not save automatically, I mean save when you rebuild. Now once you've done that, double click imagetool.exe, go to File, go to Open and search for Bully's world image. Now if you're on 32-bit Windows, Bully will be located in Program Files, Rockstar Games, Bully Scholarship Edition, Stream, and then that's where you find the world image. If you're on 64-bit Windows like I am, it's Program Files x86, Rockstar Games, Bully Scholarship Edition, Stream, and then world image. Give it a few seconds for the world image to open and then search for a model of your choice. For this one, I'm gonna use one of Jimmy's special outfits. Let's go to find. This is something that you might run into as well. If you see any models that begin with CS and underscore, it means they're a cutscene model. So that means any changes you make to the model won't show unless it actually appears in the cutscene. Now this is actually where most, if not all, of Jimmy's stuff actually is as well, because well, even everything for Jimmy has been rigged twice, one for normal free mode and the other for cutscenes. So if you're trying to make say a shirt texture and you want it to appear in cutscenes, extract the cutscene model for that as well. But we're not going to do cutscenes, we're just going to do the normal free mode. Let's go for the alien head. Right click, extract. I'd recommend you create a folder on your desktop or somewhere and call it something like Bully Mods or something. I've got mine here called Bully Textures. Extract them both to there. Don't close the IMG Tool just yet, just leave it open or move it somewhere. Now minimize that and go to wherever you extracted your files. Now when you first install the NifSkope, you'll see that the NIF will show up perfectly fine. However, the NFT will come up as a blank file, like this here. Now, if you double click the NFT, which is what you need to do, on Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP, you'll get this error when you double click the NFT. Windows can't open this file, blah blah blah. Basically, what you need to do is select a program from this list, and then search for NifSkope.exe. Now, like Bully, if you're on 32-bit Windows, it's located in C, Program Files, NifTools, NifSkope, NifSkope.exe. If you're on 64-bit Program Files x86, NifTools, NifSkope, NifSkope.exe again. If you're on Windows 8, you'll get the same error, but because Windows 8 is a lot different from most versions of Windows, you'll get a slightly different error window. You'll get this message pop up instead. How do you want to open this file? Scroll down till you see, look for another app on this PC, and do the same again. And once you've set NifSkope to open up all NFT files, double click the NFT and only extract the top texture here where it says underscore d.tga. The N and the S ones, those are bitmaps. You don't need to extract those. Now right click, export. Don't rename it. Keep it the same name it's already been given. If you accidentally did rename it like that, just click cancel, right click and export again. Click save. Minimize this. Don't close this window, just minimize it. Now open up Photoshop. As you can see, I've already got the texture already up, but just close that. Open up again. Oops, wrong place. Now I'm going to resume the video once I've made the changes to the texture I need or want to do. Okay, so here's my changes to the texture. It's not the best in the world, but you know, this is just a quick tutorial video. Now once you're happy with all your retexturing, click File, click Save As, and on the drop down menu select it as TGA or Targa. Select it as Targa. Now if the original texture file needs to be overwritten here. If say like it's saved somewhere else, like here for example, well, not here example, but you know what I mean, if it's saved in a different folder, go to where the original texture was, then right click, save. Do you want to overwrite? Select yes, select OK, and you can exit out Photoshop. Now maximize the NifSkope texture window. Right click texture, then click embed. Once you've done that, you'll see 4 NI pixel data come up. Right click that, click block, and click remove. Now on the file, go to save as, save it as the original, select save, select yes, and then exit out of that. Double click the NIF to make sure the texture shows appropriately. There we go. Exit out of that. Now right click, replace. If you get this error, which you most likely will do, click OK to that. Press delete on that. Wait for it to come back again. Then go to commands, add, then add your modified NFT. Then click commands again once it's been added. If you're not sure it's been added, find the file again. SP, no, we don't need any cutscene models. If you're unsure it's been added, yep, there we go, it's been added. Commands, rebuild archive. Rebuilding the archive will take a few minutes. Select yes. Now once it says archive rebuilt, you're pretty much done. The only thing you need to do now is to test out your texture in Bully.